Okay, if you go over to PAW's channel now, you can find out that there are a lot of posts they're making. What is the post all about? It's about the tax which they actually gave to us. And unlike other YouTubers, today I'm going to show you guys and tell you guys some important things you need to know about PAWs and the tax and their code of reaping the community. So we have found out that the 90% of airdrops we are doing is nowadays to try these Telegram taps. The main thing is no more tapping. The tapping there is just something to keep you busy while they actually ask you to pay. Now the kind of projects we do nowadays is pay to earn, and sometimes, most of the times, people don't get up to what they pay, is what they spent on the Telegram, on any of the projects while they begin to reward. Sometimes they won't even reward you. You won't even be eligible. An example, MM5 have launched which one again? MM5 have launched Major is about to launch maybe tomorrow, like getting listed. And if you are one of the people that did Major, check your account. If you didn't spend money, you're likely to get little or nothing. So now PAWs have they came out, a lot of exchanges posted about them and blah 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 blah. They got so popular that they bought verification easily on Telegram. Now it used to be simple tasks without money, just like dog, because they're actually using interface of dog, almost every single thing that dog did. Now the PAWs have came again with some tax. So look at it. We have been doing a lot of tasks in recently until they came out. They now try to do the trend, like they want to do what other projects are doing. What is it? Asking the community to pay before they will earn. It's no more participate, show your work. It's now pay to earn. Now a lot of projects out there, a lot of tasks are out there now the scope they are using is no more turn transaction, because turn transaction format is now kind of casting. A lot of people are no more trying to do turn transaction. Now they switch to stars, Telegram stars, because they know that turn transaction and stars is are the two ways to earn, to reap people or to earn from people from their community. Because having for almost 50 million people is kind of a very big money. At least even if it's 1 million people that spend on you are good. So now they started with 10 stars to vote. Like, what are we even voting for? They say go to vote. Well, we are voting. If you vote, they're going to give you 10,000 pieces of their coin. We have done the first voting and it seems to work. Now they brought out more. And more ways to earn from the voting. So if you go over to earn here, you see vote for a winner 10,000, go vote for a loser 10,000. Mystery quest is 50,000. Go gamble. All these things are something that you have to do something before you earn them. So it's no more participating, it's now paying. So for those of you that really want to pay, well, according to my investigation and research, the result of my research, if you vote 10,000, you are going to get 10,000. If you vote with 10 star, you're going to get 10,000 PAW points. And now if you spend up to 500 stars in your mystery quest, I'm talking about how to earn all these mystery quests over here. This mystery quest, this go gamble, this mystery quest go gamble. This one is 50,000 PAWs and this one is 25,000 PAWs. A lot of people have been asking me, how do we get it, this and that. If you want to get it, get ready to spend up to 600 star or 500 600 star to get this total of 75,000 PAWs, which is more than what I'm having in this particular account. So things are involved here. If you think you have the stars, it's probably going to cost you maybe up to 15,000 naira or more to complete this, or even 10,000. Don't know, because you need to buy. Do you know how much is 500 star compared to naira? So if you want to do it, go ahead and do it. So I'm just telling you guys that this is what to do it. But this particular mystery quest, the last one that is going to give you 3,000 PAWs, is not going to cost you anything. It's not going to cost you anything. What you have to do is to go over to these partners and start doing this particular task. I've already subscribed to BOM, so I'm going to claim. So click on explore BOM, go back, click on shake, claim. Click on follow Clayton. I've done that one already. click on explore Clayton app. I'm not interested, so click on start. So yeah, I'll follow blockchain. Let me follow them, and then click on check. Claim. Now click on explore blockchain app, start, go back, click on check, and it's kind of pending. So if you go back to this particular limited now, once you complete this whole thing, this particular pending, once you claim it, so now the claim button is available. So I've actually claimed. Let me claim it and see how it's going to go. And if you go back to your account now, that's it. If you go back to your account, go back to limited, you see now that I'm done with the free mystery task. If I click on claim now, you see that I have claimed the mystery quest. So if you click on claim, you are going to see I've claimed the 3,000 PAWs. Why did they give you 3,000 PAWs in this last mystery quest? Upon it's a mystery quest, is because it's free. So those free ones are just the ones to make you feel like, okay, airdrop is still free, but the one that you have to pay money is the one that is going to give you the Lambo. So the choice is yours there. For me, I ain't doing it. I'm not going to spend 500 stars on any project. If they want to cook, let them cook. If they don't want to cook, over to the next one. In fact, once I'm done with the current Telegram tabs I'm doing, and doing anyone. So this is what I want to tell you guys in this video. If you think you're going to do it, go ahead and do it. Get ready for you to claim this mystery quest. Get ready to spend over 500 stars to get those things. And this is not end though. A lot of votes are still going to come, because it is giving them money, so they would like to do it more. Remember what TapSwap and other ones did. Menfi did it a lot, since the format they are using is giving them money. They would like to bring out more and more, so get ready to spend more style. Don't think that if you spend this 500 is done. Get ready to spend more. But if the community can do this, if they bring out all these things, you are not going to do it. You see that they are going to get back to their senses and do the needful. By airdrop is supposed to be complete tasks, like participate to earn, not pay to earn. But either ways, let's see what's going to happen. So if whatever you think about this video, my review on it, what I think about it, the reason for me not doing it, and everything. If you think I'm not doing it right, tell me in the comment section. But for now, see you guys in my next video. Bye.